Andhra Premier League.
And from the very first ball, he's showing the signs.
Slightly in favor of him. Like this, once again in action, but just about eluding that long off fielder. Needs to really get good hold of.
Nicely. At the toe end of the bat, connects it really well. This time on the offside, and he's caressed that to a boundary. Will race away through that fielder, Anand, who did try to get in there. Sasikan not very...
Trying to go over the onside. Didn't really get the desired connection, but the result will please Abhinav. The first boundary really had to get a move on finally.
This time on the leg side and between those two fielders. He's picked his spot nice and well, Abhinav. And they're getting a move on from here, the Vijayawada Sunshiners. This time on the offside, nice and lovely. This is perfection, this is timing, and this is class at its best here. Last ball on the offside, he's finished this over really nicely. Ashwin Hebbar joins the party as well. Almost 334s at the end of 5.
Nicely bowled as well, but that's going to be a boundary. Just easing the offside. Runs are coming thick and fast. We saw that in the last over as well. The last over of the power play.
It went out of the park. Wonderful, wonderful shot. Because of the first boundary, he had to change his length. He bowled in enough. They are moving on.
Yeah, lovely shot. GMR 6 coming from his blade. Lovely timing as well.
Oh, look at that. Another maximum. Another GMR maximum. Hit by Hebbar. Up till now, it was Abhinav who was hitting the ball out of the park. But this time...
Batter, we all know that. Always a very busy batter. And there was some shot as well. Because if he stays, the run will be coming. And once again, cutting that one. Another boundary. Expensive over. This one from Sasikan. That's the end of the power play as well.
They hit the ball all corners of the ground. And look at that. Look at that. Abhinav is in a full form. Abhinav is in prime form. And this is 283rd.
Yeah, gorgeous shot. Lovely shot. Playing with the turn as well. Great connection. And as I said, most difficult shot as far as bat is concerned. Playing over the cover area. What a strike there. That's a really good strike.
Nicely straight to the field. Oh, missed it. A valiant dive by Saurav, but missed it. But it went for a 4. He's dealing in boundaries of it.
Pulls it in the gap as well. That's racing away. That's going to be a 4 for Abhinav. He's nearing his half century. Deserves one. Just
home. Oh, up in the air, straight to the fielder. You can't do that to Saurav Kumar. He went for a big heave. Ashwin Hebbar is batting beautifully up till now. Rush off. And Prashant made no mistake. Wonderful catch taken. First.
They have better playing conditions in this time through that gap. Dissects those two fielders. M. Wamsi. And it's a welcome boundary as well for him. Yeah, this time nicely placed. That is beautiful and a classy shot from M. Wamsi. Goes down on one knee and picks that up really. Oh, this time very close on that leg stump. Nice and full. They're going in for a second. This could be deadly. Good running between the wickets from Abhinav. He gets to his 50 as well. Much deserved, much needed for the Vijayawada Sunshiners. And he'll be a happy man along with the happy camp. At the end of 11, it's 94.
The spinners operating. Picked away, cries of catch it, and Abhinav at the stroke of 50 will have to depart. Suresh strikes. Couldn't get over the fielder, it shot fine. And this means...
Remember, it was Ashwin Hebbar first, and now Abhinav, less space on that ball, just tucked it away and directly in the hands of Saurabh, who makes no mistake whatsoever. That's an easy take. You'll catch that any day.
Find that release shot. That's in the air, taken as well. Stephen brought back into the attack, strikes Toshit with the catch, and Teja will have to depart.
Yeah, definitely a shock. It would be explosive. And Stephen provides a much-needed breakthrough. This slows the tempo of the game. Oh, this time makes room for himself. That's a KSN Raju special. That's exactly what he's brought out to do. He can deliver. And again, this time connects. There's a fielder coming underneath. Will take the catch. Rohit takes a really good catch. And a dangerous looking KSN Raju.
You can. That's nicely played. That was in his slot. Went for 4. A welcome boundary for
Rise in and be ready for a strong finish. But here, excellent shot. Really changing gears. M. Dheeraj, the 339th boundary of this edition. Finding. This time he gets it smack in the center of the bat. Brilliant sound and an even better result for Vamsi.
It was a half look at him. Rocked back and smashed over mid-wicket for a GMR maximum. Wonderful hitting by Vamsi Krishna. He's been around.
Full toss, tried for the Yorker. This time, Dheeraj muscling it over long on. Second sixer, a good over for the Sunshiners. 15 off it.
Par total. The guy, look at him, how deep he is. It was a low full toss. And muscle it over long on for a maximum. Oh, up in the air, up in the air, up in the air. What a catch it is. A blinder of a catch. Prashant is once again picking up another catch. This one he ran. Wonderful catch. It was a slow delivery. Tried to clear the field. But look at him, how far, how much he ran and plucked it out of the air. Wicket 2. Oh, that's up in the air, straight to the fielder, who made no mistake. Rohit is the fielder, who made no mistake. Tried to smash it over covers, could not time it. By Sasikant, but straight to Rohit, who made no mistake. Another wicket goes down. They're going down in a heap. They're falling like pack of cards.
Gets it smack in the center of the bat. It's a huge sixer from the blade of Dheeraj. An important hit here.
It was a half tracker once again. You can't batter. Look at him, how deep he is in the crease. He's waiting for the short ball. And rocked back and smash for a huge GMR 6 by Dheeraj.
Once again, this time using deft touch. Good delivery, but the result going in the way of the Sunshiners. Once again gets it in the center of the bat. It's been taken. They are still continuing to run. They'll check the height probably.
There it is. It is okay. He'll have to walk back. Dheeraj did not medal it and was comfortably taken by Sachikant. Yes. The dreaded finger goes up. A single. They move on to 161 for 7 after 20. Vijayawada Sunshiners. They got off to a great start, but after that, they could not accelerate the kind of acceleration they wanted. But
Abhinav getting 51, just 35. Ashwin Hebar, the skipper, contributing 33. Vamsi Krishna, 30 for him. GSP.
Stephen 4 overs, 24 for 2, bowled brilliantly. Saurav Kumar was a pick of the bowlers, 4 overs, 17 for 1. Toshit Yadav, 2 overs, expensive, 19.
Tungabhadra Warriors, we're all set for the chase. First runs on the board as well for the Tungabhadra Warriors. Off the mark is Daneshwar, gets to the other end. And the Warriors are up and away.
This time just eluding the field at square leg. An important boundary here for Prashant. Short ball with a nice arm ball. This time the ball once again gripping. This time comfortably beating Prithvi. A boundary, second boundary, much more in control. Marshal his resources brilliantly. Getting it up in the air, and Vasu will gleefully accept that. Finally, a breakthrough here for Sunshiners. And thanks to all the brilliant bowling by both.
Soft dismissal. Daneshwar's poor run of form continues in GMR APL 4. Credit to the captain to persist with
on his head. Once again, pace off option taken. Doesn't seem to have got decent connection, but the new ball will take it beyond the fence. A GMR 6 here for the
Tungabhadra Warriors. Yeah, Mahib Kumar, the bat turning in the hand, and for a moment both the fielders and mid-on and mid-off started giving chase. That was Prashant, in fact.
That's a cracking shot. That's got to be a boundary. What a shot. That's terrific. From the blade of the skipper himself.
There, he's tucked up in the air. There's a fielder's looking at it, but only watches it sail over the fence and over the boundary cushions. Another GMR 6 of this. But this is what we're talking about. Fantastic shot.
Yeah, lovely swivel there. Getting that connection required that 6 as well. And just sailing. Oh, once again, Apesh. A man the deep, and he'll pouch that. Vasu the fielder, and Prithvi he strikes here. Important wicket as well. Prashant, who was well set, he has to go back now.
Yeah, it was looking good. They were slowly trying to build a partnership. We spoke about how DLS could come into the picture, trying to accelerate. But Prithviraj. Okay then. High up in the air. And a GMR 6 of the match. There is the intent. There is a plan. And execution already begins.
Lovely strike. GMR 6 from his blade. He's a handy customer with the bat as well. Saurav Kumar, and just going up over the skirting there.
Connects it really well. Mahib this time sends it for another 6 of the match. So a good over here. 16 runs come off it at the end of 10. It's 60.
It's up in the air, up in the air, up in the air. Oh, it's a boundary. It is a boundary. Use the pace of the ball. Prithvi. Oh, look at that. Chota pataka, bada
The
dhamaka.
distance, full follow through the bat. Wow, that got plenty of willow.
Look at that. Straight to the fielder, and Saurav Kumar goes out. Look at that. Look at the excitement on the field, on the face of Aditya, the aggression and the excitement and the smile. Supporters tried to smash it, but found the fielder. Ashwin Hebar, who made no...
Slower delivery is miscued this one. Somebody should go for it. Fielder getting underneath. Oh, he's put it down. As straightforward as it can get in the deep. All the fielder had to do was come underneath that and take...
Oh, up in the air, Rohit. Fielder coming under it. And Raju made no mistake. Yes, and Raju took a comfortable catch. Another wicket goes down. He went deep in the crease, tried to smash it. But ball is not coming as nicely as it was coming in a few days back. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. It is. Going, gone. It was in his arc and smashed out of the park. Another GMR 6 by Mahib, and give support to Mahib Kumar. Wonderful hitting.
Courtesy that 6th 100 also comes up for the Tungabhadra Warriors. Much needed home run.
Swings it really nicely, and that's a 6. A GMR 6 of the match. 200. Keep going with more.
An off-cutter here. Anand there clearly identified that field. Nice innovation there. Manufactured by Mahib. Showing his class now is the skipper of the Tungabhadra Warriors.
Well, strikes it Mahib. There is a fielder. And the captain himself will take it. Ashwin Hebar. Prithviraj celebrates. He's elated, excited because he takes out the danger Warriors.
And how cool and calm was Ashwin under that one. He's held some good catches this evening.
Connects this time, but just sails over KSN Raju. Just over. Waiting to see if there was any.
He tried to follow a pattern here, Prithvi. Once again, a slow one. This time deep in his crease was Anand. And he evaded the tall, lanky Raju. Really, no one else aligned him like this. He's aligned P. Aditya to the tilt here. Erring in line and length there. And neatly clipped off his pads for you.
Here comes the second one. He's connected, and that is another 6 of the match. 2 consecutive 6s. It is pouring 6s in this over so far. This time, nice and easy. He just needed to time it to perfection. The bowler is under the pump and under the pressure. P. Aditya is now slow this time. That is smacked. That is smacked into the first tier there. Yeah, they're all smiles because they know now it's time to finish this and put an end. One more this time. Sasikant takes it to Prithvi. 2 sixes in 2 balls. 7 now required in 9 balls. Tungabhadra Warriors, they're charged up.
Just like the previous over, consecutive sixes. Just the batter changes. It was K. Anand, then now it is Sasikant.
He packs a punch again. That's 3 and 3. This is carnage here. The faces tell you a story. 1 to get in 8 balls. He wants to get it done and dusted in this over.
And just like that, in a matter of 3 deliveries, it's game, set and match for the Tungabhadra Warriors. Just the 1 run required. So brilliant. Sasikant.
Oh, misses the leg stump. Misses the leg stump after putting up a fabulous show. Just exposed. And he got taken away. Prithvi gained isolation on this occasion.
Yeah, just exposing that leg stump.
MK Datta swings it for a 6, and that's the winning shot as the Tungabhadra Warriors qualify as a second team in the GMR Andhra Premier League. It's done and dusted. The comeback heroes put up a fantastic show. A partnership, and out came Anand and Sasikant. Anand definitely 42 of 16. Kept his grip together. Was very important. Prasant Kumar and Mahit.
Prithviraj getting 3 wickets was tad expensive. The impact player P. Aditya Reddy as well accounting for 2 wickets. But in the end, that partnership and that knock from K. Anand sealing it.
And 161 finally been chased down. They won by 4 wickets and 6 balls remaining. That's it from us here. Remember, we're going into a short break. When we come back, we bring you the presentation party. Don't